Hey creator, it's your team NOVL, and we're giving you 30 days of bite-sized tutorials packed with insider insight so you can learn how to use Shopify to host your content, monetize, and engage your audience like a pro. Today we're diving into dropshipping, what it is, when to use it, and how to add your first dropshipping product. What is dropshipping? You can choose ready-made products to sell from a manufacturer or wholesaler, and they'll ship orders for you. It's similar to print on demand, however, you're unable to customize the products. So when should you dropship? It's a great way to test your audience interest with low risk and little to no upfront cost. You can then white label your top sellers to kickstart your own brand with custom packaging. All right, let's get started and find a dropshipping supplier to work with. Go to Apps, Recommended Apps, and then click Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type dropshipping and enter to return results. When choosing a dropshipping supplier, you'll want to find one that makes products for your niche. For example, if you were a coffee enthusiast, you'd want a supplier that specializes in coffee, such as Roastify. Or if you cover the latest fashion trends, you'll likely want to partner with a supplier like StyleSci. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll choose DSers, a top-rated dropshipping app that allows you to source products from AliExpress, Temu, and Alibaba. Go ahead and click DSers, install the app, and complete the setup steps. You can then select the free plan for now and upgrade later. Now that DSers is installed, let's find products to sell that a coffee enthusiast audience would love. Type coffee French press in the search and see what results return. Let's take a deeper look at the French press with Chrome accents for $13.29. Shipping is 53 cents and it has a 4.9 star rating. That means that people really like the product and there are plenty of items on hand available for purchase. While you don't have to choose a product with an existing star rating, it's a great way to gauge the quality of the product if you don't have time to do quality assurance. The downside, it does take 8 to 15 days to arrive, but overall it appears to be a good product to add to our store. Alright, let's go back to DSers and add the product to our import list. Then click Stay. Before making further adjustments and adding the product to our store, let's set a global pricing rule so that all of our products are automatically adjusted. Go to Settings, Sales Channel Settings, and Pricing and Currencies. Then turn on the pricing rule and select Basic Rule. Choose Total Cost from the dropdown and then multiply to increase the percentage to 142% so that your profit margin is 30% for all imported products. You can edit this as needed, but a 30% profit margin is a good standard. Then click Save. Okay, now let's exit settings and go to the import list. Select the product we just added and click Edit Product. First, clean up the title so that it's easier to read. And let's head to Variants and make sure the price looks good based on the pricing rule we just set. Next, clean up the description and remove the images from the body. You can also edit the description in Shopify and use Shopify Magic to generate a description once the product has been imported. Go to Images, and let's check the images that we want to include. And lastly, check the shipping cost and times. You can view by country you want to ship to. For example, if we ship to the US, the standard shipping is $53. All right, now we're ready to add the product to our store. Go ahead and click Save and push to store. By default, automatic inventory update, automatic price update, and manual price update are selected. You can check any other options you want at this stage. And once all looks good, click Publish to Stores. Then go to My Products, locate the product we just added, and click Edit on Store. Clean up the product as needed, and it's looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and view the product. Here's what your product looks like on your store. Well, that's a wrap. We hope you learned some things, and if you got questions, drop them in the comments. Until tomorrow, be NOVL.